Okay, in today's video we're going to take a look at NVDA. Now last week on Twitter I did post a chart, or maybe it was a little bit more than a week ago. I don't know. We started running into resistance in this one, and somebody mentioned that it was at a crossroads, and I agreed, because not only did we have some key price resistance here, we also had some timing factors. Okay, so I had timing for a possible high with the histogram that focused on you know, the 18th, 19th. So we had time and price come together. We did start to see sell signals, and it rolled over and has died pretty much. So what's next? Well, I do want to show you the next decision. So here, and this comes from actually a 100% projection of this prior decline of 45 bucks projected from this high. I also have a low to high extension in there. I have a 618 retracement of a larger swing and all that good stuff. What I want you to know here is that, well, if you took the short, you certainly want to ratchet down your stops, because we're closer to a support decision. Now, we don't have all the moving averages on the right side. You're above the 200, yet you're below the 50, and the 5 and 13 are in a sell mode. So you don't have that going for you, but you do have a very clear area of support, and that, you know, if we drop below here, then I'm wrong. And then I also have timing that I projected from this most recent high downwards, and that timing comes in. It really says the 27th, 29th, and if you're looking at it plus or minus a day, that means tomorrow would be considered to be within the time window. One of the things about timing, though, I do want to remind you of is that I do timing outright, you know, with the cycles, the trading day cycles, and those tend to be more accurate than the calendar day cycles that I get with these histograms. So, for example, when I gave you a histogram last week about the 19th, that we had timing for high in NASDAQ around the 19th, well, as far as the trading day projections, those were like the 17th or 16th through the 19th, which was a better matchup than what the histogram gave you. So, you know, take this with a grain of salt, but just know that we do have some timing factors coming in, and we have a price support decision to keep an eye on. And if you start seeing triggers against it, then there's a reason for you to, number one, get out of your short, and number two, consider looking at the buy side with your risk definition underneath here.